Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you start boxing? Boxing is a high-intensity sport that not only challenges your physical strength, but also your mental toughness. From improving cardiovascular health to increasing muscle strength, there are numerous benefits of boxing. But what exactly happens to your body when you start boxing? Let's find out. Number 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Boxing is a high-intensity workout that gets your heart pumping. When you're boxing, you're constantly moving, throwing punches, and dodging blows. This kind of activity increases your heart rate and helps to improve your cardiovascular health. Over time, your heart becomes stronger and more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. This can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. Number 2. Increased strength and muscle tone. Boxing is a full-body workout that engages all of your major muscle groups. When you punch, you're using your chest, shoulders, and arms. When you duck and weave, you're engaging your core and leg muscles. Over time, this kind of training can lead to increased strength and muscle tone. You'll notice your muscles becoming more defined and toned, and you'll have more overall strength and power. Number 3. Improved coordination and balance. Boxing requires a high level of coordination and balance. You need to be able to move quickly and fluidly, and you need to be able to maintain your balance while throwing punches and dodging blows. This kind of training can improve your overall coordination and balance, which can be beneficial in many other areas of your life. For example, improved balance can reduce your risk of falls and injuries, while improved coordination can help you excel in other sports or activities. Number 4. Reduced stress and anxiety. Boxing can be a great way to reduce stress and anxiety. When you're boxing, you're focused on the task at hand, and you're releasing pent-up energy and tension. This kind of activity can be cathartic and can help you manage stress and anxiety in your daily life. Additionally, the social aspect of boxing can be beneficial, as you'll be part of a community of people who share your interests and goals. Number 5. Weight loss and improved body composition. Boxing is a high-intensity workout that can burn a lot of calories. When you're boxing, you're engaging in both cardio and strength training, which can be an effective way to lose weight and improve your body composition. Over time, you'll notice that you're losing fat and gaining muscle, which can lead to a more toned and lean physique. Number 6. Improved mental health. Boxing can have many benefits for your mental health. It can boost your confidence and self-esteem as you become more proficient in the sport. It can also help to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, as well as improve your overall mood. Additionally, boxing can be a way to channel aggression and anger in a healthy and constructive way. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of boxing every day. Also, click here to check out what happens to your body when you do 50 push-ups every day.